Are you still struggling with hair growth? Do you wish to grow out your hair this year 2025? Then in this video, I am going to share with you how I strengthen my daughter's fine natural hair for amazing results. What's up, my beautiful people? Good day, welcome back to my channel. My name is Favor, and in today's video I'm just going to be sharing with you what you should be doing if you want to strengthen your hair to grow out your hair beautifully. So if you have been stuck on the same length and your hair dries and breaks off so easily, let me introduce to you the word of pre-poo treatment. This made a whole difference on my daughter's fine natural hair. Before, her hair used to like tangle up, and I don't know what or why, especially on wash days. I'm telling you, it takes a while to detangle her hair until I started pre-pooing her hair before washing her hair. And the moment that I started doing that, the story changed for both of us. So most of the times when I do a pre-poo treatment on her hair, I use oil because I discovered that her hair loves oil so much. Now I'm going to be sharing with you later on how pre-pooing her hair with oil has helped her hair and why it's going to help you as well. But in the meantime, let me share with you how I make today's pre-poo treatment. Okay, so I decided to go extra today, right? So instead of just adding my oil to one bath and using it like that, I'm going to infuse the oil with onions. Now guys, we know that onions is very beneficial for our hair, in the sense that it is highly rich in sulfur, and sulfur we know is like a building block for our hair, which is responsible for strengthening our hair. Okay, so I sliced up about half medium size of onion and I just put it in the oil, and then I place it in my stove on the double boiling method, and then I will just cook the oil until the water dries up or until the onion changes color. All right, and now my oil is ready, so I'm going to bring it down and allow it to cool down just a little bit before using it. I'm using it on a child after all. So here what I'm doing is just trying to like get all the nutrients from that oil into the nutrients from the onion into the oil. Don't mind me, this part is just, this is just me going extra. I don't want to waste anything. Now this is what my daughter's hair looked like before washing her hair. Her hair tangles up so easily, maybe because the hair is fine strand, I don't know, but her hair tangles so easily. However, I noticed that each time that I pre-poo her hair with oil before washing her hair, it coats her hair and prevents her hair from tangling. So since I noticed that her hair loves oil, at every point I make sure that I oil her hair properly. Like when I want to deep condition her hair, I also make sure that I add enough oil inside the deep conditioner. Even if it's a store-bought deep conditioner, I go extra mile and I add more oil inside just so that it will have enough oil on it, because I noticed that oil helps to prevent our hair from matting and marrying each other. So what is pre-poo essentially? Now pre-poo is simply applying a treatment to your hair. Sometimes it could be an oil or a conditioner, all right, before shampooing it. Now think of it as a way of preparing your hair for the stress of shampooing so that it doesn't get too damaged in the process. So why pre-poo your hair before shampooing, especially oil pre-poo? I prefer oil pre-poo for my daughter. Okay, so why do it in the first place? Now it helps to prevent dryness. All right, so sometimes shampooing can strip off all natural oil in the process of deep cleansing, right? But then pre-pooing or pre-poo is like a shield that helps keeps the shampoo from leaving your hair too dry. Now I want you to imagine pre-pooing as you wearing a sunscreen before stepping right into the sun, right? So pre-poo is a layer of protection for your hair. Okay, now pre-poo also helps to reduce tangles and breakage, right? Like when I am pre-pooing my daughter's hair or my hair, I am also detangling the hair in the process, right? So yeah, pre-pooing the hair before washing helps you to detangle the hair, and it now helps to prevent your hair from tangling up when shampooing. All right, so it helps to nourish and prepare your scalp, as it helps to loosen the skin and build-ups. All right, It also helps to restore shine to your hair. Once you start pre-pooing your hair, you will just notice that your hair looks shinier. But then the best part for me is that it helps with length retention, alright, because by pre-pooing we reduce the chances of damage during washing, because healthier ends means less breakage, and less breakage means your hair looks longer and thicker over time. Okay, so now how often should you pre-poo your hair? I recommend that you pre-poo your hair every wash day. It is very important, all right, that you pre-poo your hair, like strengthen your hair before the big exercise, all right, before the washing. This will help you. Like if you've not been doing this, please, I want you to start doing it. It will help you very well. I've noticed that by pre-pooing my daughter's hair, it helps to strengthen her hair and it helps to prevent breakage. Okay, so if you've been shedding excessively and you're looking for a way to prevent that, you should start pre-pooing your hair with oil. If you're stuck with hair growth, you know that length retention equals hair growth, right? So I want you to engage in, like, try and pre-poo your hair before shampoo. Try and pre-poo and then detangle your hair before going to the shower to shampoo your hair. We should make this one change in this year 2025. You are going to begin to see length retention, and I am not even joking, okay, because pre-pooing is that important. Like, it is very important. You can call it a hot oil treatment. The reason why I don't want to call it a hot oil treatment is because you can do a hot oil treatment even after washing, even after shampooing your hair. You can just decide to, you know, do a hot oil treatment, then cover your hair, then follow up with your deep conditioning. But what I want you to do is to oil your hair before shampooing it. I want you to try it and then let me know what you think. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If there's anything that I did not cover at all in this video, please kindly let me know in the comment section. And I also want to know if you've been pre-pooing your hair. Have you been noticing any changes? Because I have, for myself and for my daughter especially. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Now until I come your way next time, please take care of yourself and bye.